Today, I'll introduce you to the most important product under Smart School, which is the Smart Blackboard. The Smart Blackboard owns very advanced technology, electronic whiteboard and touch all-in-one machine that uses infrared touchscreen technology are usually existing in today's multimedia classrooms. Both equipment uses infrared touchscreen technology, which is invented by Japanese 25 years ago, which technology will eventually fall into disuse. Smart Blackboard uses Apple company's Nanometer Capacitive Touch technology. Let's check out the touchscreen effect in reality. It allows extremely tiny handwriting. The positioning is very precise. Also, it allows several people writing on the board at the same time. 5 fingers to erase and 10 fingers to turn on and off the machine. We can also choose an easy way, which is turning the screen on and off with clicking a button called Energy Saving. This is quite easy to operate. The Smart Blackboard contains a 6-in-1 software with functions of documents camera, electronic whiteboard, wireless projection, PowerPoint annotation, and replay function. By clicking one button, the user can employ one function. For example, when teacher is about to demonstrate a test paper or courseware, the teacher only needs to gently put the paper on the document's camera platform and click Projector. It is also easy to operate when the teacher wants to annotate while explaining the courseware. Just directly annotate on it. For example, the 6th question's answer is C. You can directly write on the screen to annotate. If you want to explain one specific question, it is also quite simple. Just click Snapshot and crop out the 4th question and insert it into the whiteboard. Then, you can continue to explain and make further annotations. The whole process is very easy and convenient. Nowadays, teachers usually use PowerPoint to teach, so let me demonstrate you how to make the full use of it with the help of Smart Blackboard. For example, let's open up a PowerPoint. So if I need to annotate and explain the content on this page, the operation is quite simple. You can directly write it on the question and explain it by just clicking Annotation. If you want to flip the page, just click Next Page. When you think this page has very important content, just click Save Screen. So at the end of class, you can click Replay to check out the screenshot of important contents for the entire class to review. At the same time, the software contains wireless projection function. The teacher only needs to scan the QR code with his or her mobile device in order to achieve remote projection of teaching material at any corner of the classroom. The operation is so easy, which saves a lot of time for training the teachers. It is very cost efficient because it not only contains the functions of traditional touch all-in-one machine, but also traditional blackboard, computer, high-speed scanner, audio, and etc. When you turn off the power, you can write on the entire board. It is important to know that we own the patent certification of the Smart Blackboard. We own the invention patent and utility model patent. All the companies that produces this type of electronic board products have a possibility of conducting infringement of patent. Until now, one listed company already paid our company 3 years of patent fee of 21 million Chinese currency. It is announced on the China Securities Regulatory Commission website. The Smart Board also allows eye protection. Our company uses spectrum shift technology to completely remove blue light of 415 to 455 nanometers that is harmful to human eyes. This ensures green and healthy eye protection and has Chinese optic protection accreditation. There is no safety or maintenance issue because the screen is blast-proof and scratch-proof. The screen is also anti-glare. The display effect is very lifelike because our product uses 4K high-definition display screen. Let's check out its display effect. Our Smart Blackboard also has one-click recording function that is easy to operate. The teacher needs no computer technology understanding. The camera will automatically follow the teacher. During the actual operation, no need of pulling backstage operation menu. For example, when the teacher explaining the important and difficult points, he or she can simply click Record to start recording. By clicking the button again, the video will finish recording. The content video can be sent to the students' pads or other mobile devices to check in the form of link. This operation will not occupy any memory or consume data. Also, the Smart Blackboard has Internet of Things router embedded inside, which allows connection with 60 to 80 pads continuously online and achieves data automatic collection from all the devices under the Internet of Things. Now, I'll introduce you with our smart classroom system.